All right, 2014 Honda Accord. You guys want to change your right side mirror? Why not? You got to take the door panel off. All right, so in my other video I showed you how to take the door panel off. That's the easy part. Once the door panel is off, it's actually in this little corner. Remember the little triangle piece that we took off? This one? Yeah. You can take that off. It'll get you to your 3 nuts that you need to remove that mirror. The only problem here is the plug. The plug is behind the door panel. Okay? Here's the plug. Push that little clip in here and you'll pull it out. Now if you want to cheat, okay? If you want to cheat, you don't want to take the door panel off because the door panel comes right over here and blocks you up. You can take this wire, cut it, and splice it. Follow the code. All right, it's green, yellow, and white. All right, if you want, you could just splice it right there. You don't have to take the door panel off. You'll leave the plug connected. Just do a nice splice on there. Make sure you do a nice electrical job. Now, if you buy a bootleg mirror, of course, the color is going to be different. Okay, so you're not going to be able to wire it that way unless you look at the plug itself. If you look at the plug itself, that's the directions of the plugs. The green is to the right, yellow in the middle, and the white or the gray is to the left. All right, that's the way it is. That's the color. If you want to splice it, just remember those colors and look at the plug that comes with your bootleg mirror. All right, otherwise, get a good mirror, replace it, you're good to go. All right, looks like 10 millimeters. All right, that's it. Ciao.